Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, family. Hope everyone's having a great day, but if you're not, either which way, you're gonna have one today. All right, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And if you would do me a favor and just push that little subscribe button, that way you can be added to the wheel, I would greatly appreciate that. Family, if you're back, welcome back. Missed you. All right, so we're just gonna get started, you guys. All right, so this video, you guys, is a haul. All right, so I got a few things from I believe it's Forever 21. I got something from Spade, and I also got something from I want to say Tory Burch. I can't remember. All right. So we're just gonna open it up and we're just gonna go from there. All right, so we're gonna start with all of the clothing item, and then we will get to the unboxing. All right, so it's been a while since I actually got like a bag, so just bear with me, okay? All right, here we go. All right, you guys, so here is the first item. This is actually from Spade. It was on sale, so I wear a size extra large, you guys, and a lot of times it's definitely because of the upper body. All right, so I got an extra large. I don't know if it was the last one. It was this really cute, what was it? Yeah, so it's an embroidered poplin mini dress, and I think it has a little belt to it. I don't think you can kind of see it. Yeah, you can see it. So it has these little designs that's on it. I think it's really cute. So I like the way it looked. But yeah, it has a little tie in the back, a little opening in the front with like a little button. There you go. So, but this is actually on sale for $79. So it used to be what? $268 was on sale. You know those little pop-ups that you get when you're like on Instagram and they kind of show you what's on sale, what's there, what's not there, what's about to run out. Yeah, I fall into that, you guys. Bad, but sometimes when you actually go into it, you can actually really find good deals, and that's where I get a lot of my good deals from when it comes to like Spade, Coach, or whatever like that. If not, a majority of the time I'm getting an email from my essays, and they will call me, email me, and let me know what's going on with any kind of percentage off and what have you. So yeah, so that is my first item. So actually, I was mistaken. The next item is actually from New York & Company, and I have not shopped from them in a really, really long time, you guys. So I'm gonna open this up. So yeah. Okay, so same thing. This is an extra large. I hope it fits. I thought it was really cute. I love the sleeves. It feels like it has some type of stretch. So I thought it was perfect for like Valentine's Day. I think it came in time, but you know, nowhere to go. Didn't really dress up too much for like dinner or anything like that. It is what it is, but we still had a good time. The hubby gave the girls a little Valentine's gift, so everybody was happy. But yeah, as you can see, you have the little hearts that's on there. I love these little like pop out sleeves that's over these cut off sleeves right here. So it's cute. Hopefully it fits, because like I said, my issue is always upper body. It's always like my boobs, and they kind of like pop out, and I always have like this action going on where it like opens up. So I need to kind of like get a little hack to where that doesn't always constantly happen, because sometimes all the larger sizes are always out of stock, you know. But yeah, okay, so there you have that. So I'm just gonna open the box, you guys. All right, so this box is actually from Forever 21, and I kind of purchased a lot more from there. So This right here is a jacket. They claim it's one size. I hope it is. But I will leave all the descriptions below. That way you can kind of actually see what jacket it is. It has no buttons. It's just kind of like an open cocoon style is what they call it, jacket. So I thought it was really cute. All right, so I'm just slip this on. Okay, so that's the style right there. And this literally can go with anything. So I think it's so cute. I love coats. I love coats, all right? The thing I get upset about the most is the fact that I love coats because I am from Jersey. I grew up in the cold. And now I live in Florida and it's always hot, and we literally get like 1 week out of the year where it's cold. So when it is and it hits like a 30 or a 40 or even a 50, because now my blood is kind of like thin out, so I normally have like coats because it's cold to me, I will bust out all my coats literally with no issues whatsoever. Let me see, does this have pockets? No. All right, so no pockets. You can always kind of do like a little hoodie, you know, with that having pockets or whatever like that. But this right here is completely cute. I am feeling it and I'm really happy I got it. It was also on sale. Everything I have here is literally on sale, but like I said, I will link everything below for you guys. So the next thing I purchased were some biker shorts, you guys. And I know I kind of said to myself that I would never ever get on this trend. So either which way, but however, I noticed that when I do, because I think I probably have like one or two, it's really comfortable, really comfortable. So I just get them to wear at night. Yeah, but you can definitely rock this with a really long hoodie. I bought two. I actually need to call because I know when I purchased this, it actually said that if you purchase two, then you get one, buy two, get one. So I was hoping to get three, so I don't know. So I need to look into that, but either which way, here's one and here's two. So I'll probably give one to like my daughter, and that was what I was hoping to actually do, but we'll see. All right. The last thing is this cute dress right here, and it's actually, yeah, it's a knit dress. So all right, hold on. All right, so it says it's a large. All right, but at the same time, I don't know, it looked so much bigger on the model online, but you know how that normally goes. So either which way, I will probably be rocking this with this and then kind of like rock some sneakers with it or whatever like that, because there's no way that this that looks like a shirt is going to be a dress on me. But like I said, I'll try it on and I'll see how it goes. All right, but all right, you guys, so here is the unboxing. All right, so everything literally just came. The Forever 21 stuff was actually in the box. Everything else came wrapped up, and I probably already took it out of the box or whatever, and it was just sitting here kind of like waiting. So yes, it is still in the bag right here. And of course, as you know, it is Kate Spade, because you know I love Kate Spade. All right, so because you guys know how I am, I love all my quirky, really cute novelty bags from Kate Spade. So no further ado, here you go, here you go. It's so cute. All right. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oh my gosh, so cute, so cute. Look at this. All right, so this is actually called the Out of the Woods Fox crossbody bag, you guys. So look how cute. Look how cute. I know a lot of people complain because it's really kind of like hard to get into, but for the most part, that's a good and a bad thing, all right? So either which way, kind of have to put it all the way down, and I think it should be good to go. But this is super, super cute. You guys know how I am about my novelty bags. I have the camera. I missed out on like the apple or whatever like that, but I'll still try to look for other ones. I know they just released the fish bag or whatever, so yeah. Comes with a crossbody strap that is detachable, also adjustable. Has this cute little fox tail. I'll do a whole entire bag review. I'll put some things in it and I'll tell you about this cutie. So Kate Spade right there. So it's so cute. So normally this is actually what? Where's the tag on here? I think normally this was $2.99. $2.99, you guys. $300. And I wind up getting her for $79. Yes. $79. Adorable. Adorable. So, I'm so happy. What? I know. She's saying we're going to be the best of friends. And I know it. I can see it. I can feel it. But either which way, like I said, I love novelty bags. I love pops of color. I love everything that's quirky when it comes to bags. That's just me. So I think this bag is extremely adorable, you guys. I'm so glad I got it. And I think the tail is literally what got me. So like I said, I will do a whole entire video on a bag review of this cutie, and I will put items in there. But just by looking at it, you can tell like it's a little cute mini crossbody bag, and all you need are your, you know, card holders, coin purses, key holders, stuff like that, because you don't really need that much stuff. You're obviously going somewhere where you're just going to sit down for a little bit. You're going to be cute, dainty, what have you. And that's really just it. All right, so that is my bag unboxing. It's my Kate Spade Fox bag. I think it's cute. I love it. Like I said, I'm so glad I got it, because a lot of times if you don't pick up the novelty bags, they kind of sell out really quickly. So I know this is like a little, I know there was like a heart bag that was selling out like out of control because somebody put it on TikTok or whatever like that. So yeah, this is my newest addition and I like it. There you have it. You guys, so glad you stayed with me. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you liked everything that you saw. Like I said, I will link everything below. That way you can just click on it and just purchase if you want to. No affiliation whatsoever, just the love. All right, so that is it. I will see you in the next video. And before we go, please go ahead and subscribe. You were already here. We already sat here for like 10 minutes. We are family now. We are joined at the hip and we are friends. We are good sisters. And this is what we need to do. All right, so comment, like, share, and then subscribe. All right, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.